3 interchangeable non-stick baking plates. Make 7 cupcakes, 7 donuts or 12 cake pops. Power and ready lights. Latching handle, non-skid rubber feet and convenient cord wrap. Includes recipe booklet with hints and suggestions. Top reviews from the United States. Ask Donut Service. I immediately opened this package. I heard modtly good reviews and a couple bad. I happily used my blueberry muffin mix. And 1 box of apple cinnamon. Jiffy mix, 1 box made about 21 mini donuts. I did not alter the mix at all. They turned out wonderful. A few were off kilter for alignment. But no biggie. I happily ate those. As fast as I was making them, my husband and aunt were sampling them. Count might be off because of that. There was some smoke when the machine was turned on. That is normal for most. I did wash everything before using. It heats up quickly and bakes the donuts quickly. So far I'm very happy with it. Cleans easily. Has an area you'll wrap your cord. Love that you have 3 plates to choose from. I feel it was worth a little extra money. One thing I do suggest. Get a wide tip squeeze bottle to put the batter into the machine. So it will be easier to do the batter. Otherwise 1 tablespoon of batter will work for each donut.